So breast implants. There's been a lot of discussion about the safety of breast implants in the news and by the FDA and by a whole bunch of different women's groups here lately, and rightly so. And fortunately, the FDA has actually done something about it. But you know, breast implants were taken off the market and finally came back on the market after being completely re-engineered in 2006. And since then, the newer implants that we have, the safety profile of them is very good. There's minimal leakage. They're a lot tougher than the old ones used to be. There's a lot of big advantages to them. Back in, I think the first reported case of the problem was back in the early 2000s, where somebody reported there's a lymphoma, which is not actually breast cancer, but it's a cancer of the lymphatics, was reported with a breast implant. And since that time, it's been followed worldwide, and there's been several hundred, not 1,000 yet, but several hundred cases reported. And all the studies that have been done associated with breast implant associated carcinomas have been this. It's a lymphoma that's associated with textured breast implants, and more specifically, Allergan textured implants. And a lot of people feel like it's somehow in the process of the way they texture the silicone on the outside of the implant that causes a chronic inflammation that leads to, after a long period of time, this weird kind of breast cancer. So fortunately for me, I've never used textured implants of any kind, let alone the Allergan ones. The Allergan ones today have been recalled. About 60 days ago, they recalled all of the Allergan textured breast implants because they are the biggest culprit. The smooth implants are not really a problem. So if you hear breast implant associated ALCL or lymphoma, it's a type of lymphoma, you should know, the thing that you should know is, are my breast implants doing well? Number one. If they are, then the chance of you having it is pretty low to begin with. Number two, what type of implants do I have? Are they smooth or are they textured? If they are textured, you probably need to have it checked out. And if you're worried or have anxiety about it, have it checked out anyway. But hopefully everybody that got breast implants got a card. The card should tell you what type of implant that you got. If you don't have a card, you can call your physician's office generally and kind of figure that out. But if you have any concerns, you need to come see me if you're here, and we'll figure it out.